Hi everyone, my name is Atan Letele. I am currently enrolled with CUT. High temperatures may be challenging, especially in factories and huge industries, because most of machines overheat due to high temperatures and slows down the production. Controlling fan or air conditioner manually consume time and decrease production. So I have decided to create a temperature control fan. My temperature control fan consists of the following. It consists of Arduino Uno as a microcontroller, LCD, breadboard, temperature and humidity sensor, relay, and LED as a form of a fan. My design will be powered through a USB cable, and my design will be powered with a 5 or 9 volt power supply. So I have decided to create a poster which will help me simply explain or describe how my design will work. So in the poster, I have a flowchart, block diagram, schematic, and a PCB. So in the flowchart, when I power my source with a 5 or 9 volt, then the system will then start. The temperature and humidity sensor will then read temperature or temperature and humidity. Then after it had read the temperature, it will then send the message to a microcontroller. Then the microcontroller will then check if the temperature is 30 degrees or less than 30 degrees or more than 30 degrees, and if the humidity is less than 40 or more than 40. So if the temperature is more than 30 degrees, the microcontroller will then send a signal to a relay module for a relay module to turn on the fan. But then if the temperature is less than 30 or is 30 degrees, the microcontroller will then send a signal to a relay again and then tell a relay that it must switch off the fan and then start the process again. So in the block diagram shows how simple my system is connected. Then my temperature and humidity sensor is connected to microcontroller, and here is my power supply of 5 volt or 9 volt. Then my LCD is also connected to a microcontroller. My single channel relay module is also connected to my controller, and also the fan is only connected to a single relay module. Then on the schematic I have cycled my design, which is a fan, a relay, and also a temperature and humidity sensor. So here is my PCP. My PCP is the simplest, or is it shows how simple my circuit is connected. Since it is an automated system, it has been carefully programmed in such a way that it will work without an interruption. The technology will also keep an eye on environment that are uncomfortable or impossible for people to watch for a long period of time. The temperature control fan minimize energy waste. It can only be maintained by technical personnel. Its efficiency will occasionally decrease due to temperature variety. As the technology advances, we want to have things done automatically. And my invention lessens the amount of work that must be done by humans. Overall, I would advise factories and industries to adapt to this temperature control based fan, because it saves power consumption and also it minimizes overheating of machines, which will result in increase of production. Here is my design. It is powered with a 5 volt power supply. Then the temperature is on and it is reading the temperature and humidity. Then microcontroller is waiting for the temperature to send a message whether the temperature is 30 or more than 30. Then here are the reading from the LCD. The temperature is less than 30, of which the LED is off. Then the temperature is now more than 30. Then my LCD is on and my humidity is less than 40. All in all, which means I have managed to implement or solve my problem statement. Thank you.